Okay, YouTubers, I've left it alone for about an hour or so, and it was still, the collection cup was still overflowing, so I thought I'd have a little play about with the dial, which is there, and it was actually set to max, which meant that the maximum amount of water in the bottom was being let out. And I've adjusted it to number 2, which is quite high, and look at the results. If you can see inside the skimmer cup, it's completely gone down. If I pull back here, it's completely gone down. So it seems to be several factors when you're trying to dial in the skimmer, especially these bubble magus, which have got quite a reputation for over skimming and doing various crazy things. Bearing in mind, I've not even tried it on the penultimate goal, which is to get that installed. We haven't even got that far, but at least we've managed to get the old skimmer put back in and tame it and get it to the point of it actually doing something acceptable, which is skimming, you know, and not overflowing. So it looks to be some sort of adjustment, you know, where you've got to, you know, pull it in the water, and you've got to have some sort of adjustment on that water flow. You can't leave it on max. But then it's just a hit and miss thing, isn't it, really? Because I had it on max and it was overflowing. I had it on minimum earlier on and it was overflowing. And when I put it on to 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, that was just increasing the amount of bubbles and water, and it was just doing the volcano on me. So it's a bit of a weird one now that I've ramped it to 2 and everything's kind of like calmed down. Oh, here we go again. It's starting to push some bubbles up, but look, there you go, look. If you look below them bubbles, there's nothing there. So let me just get that foam out for the moment. You see? There's nothing there. So what I'm going to do is the next stage, I think, and I'm not happy also about this baffle. I think that's the water level in that is too high, and why is there bubbles in there? But we're going to have a look at all of that and have a little play about with it again. It's just taking hours at the moment, but you know, hopefully we will get there. Penultimately, the goal is to get that one out, to put that one in, and to have it actually running and not overflowing. So join me again shortly once I've had another play about, and hopefully we can finally get to some sort of conclusion on this.